Hello Saanvi, what are we making?
So we're making a gingerbread house, and it's our first ever we made on Christmas. So it's mostly going to be me and Driti's work.
And what do we got here?
We got a front and we got a side which we're going to attach like this. And then we're going to do the same as we have two more for the back and the other side. Because I think I'm going to eat them with not any toppings at all. She thinks it's so yummy. Yes, and I'm going to eat it just like directly, like you said, every day. Okay. Maybe that's not such a good idea. And I just like it from eating it like that. So basically it's going to fit together like this.
Right.
Whilst I think this plate is a bit too small. So now we're icing it like this. I think I might just smoothen it out a bit. Yummy. And squish it together. I want to eat some. I want to eat some. Done the whole gingerbread part. There's just a bit more. Just adding the last roof bit.
This is looking so wow. Isn't it, Driti? Wow, look at that.
Driti's already attempted to eat it several times.
I am not surprised. And there's a lot of decoration there to do as well.
Yeah. So I just put a line of icing across the top. And now let's see what the instructions say. Idea of putting these jelly things across the roof.
Okay.
So look at our version. We put
wow.
That. It's actually a beautiful pattern.
Look here, lovely. And how is it going?
It's going well, and now I've finished the roof tiles
wow.
like they're done here.
Wow, it's looking so lovely.
And I'm going to start using the red, and it looks a bit like strawberry jam.
It's coming along really well.
Yes, not very. So now we've finished most of it. We've done the jelly sweets, and we've done the window and door.
It's looking awesome.
And these were meant to be advent wreaths or something like that. But instead I just did all this.
Wow, look at that.
And here are the snowflakes.
It's looking so beautiful, Saanvi. Well done.
Plus I also remembered that I didn't use the greens anywhere, so I used them all across the top. Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.